Alright guys, so dito tayo ngayon sa may Capitol and ipapakita ko sa inyo yung view. So, ayan, makakita mo yung puno na yan na sobrang puno-puno ng parol. Ayan, maganda yan guys, lalo-lalo na paggabi kasi umiilaw. Okay, dyan tayo magsa-start and then after that, dito naman tayo sa sa mga napapractice. So, bali may napapractice doon. Bali, I think, para sa kanilang sayaw. Siguro Christmas party or sa school. Kasi malapit lang dito yung school ng NVC. Right, so, ayan sila. Ayan, maraming napapractice sila, guys. And then, makikita nyo pa rin, guys, this is the stage. Ayan, I think we have to speak in English. Alright, so this one is the stage here in Capitol, and in the center of this there is a Christmas tree. Ayan yung Christmas tree, guys. And also this is the zipline station. Look at that. Alright, so there are some rescuer jeep here, over here, and then this is actually the Capitol. Look at that. It's very big. It's very nice though. It's beautiful. Okay. And then we're just gonna go for a walk, and I'm just going to show you guys. We're going to explore and show you everything. So I am planning actually to get